Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing another retro pack opening because it's Sunday and I do it every Sunday. And yeah, let's do team season packs, and we get team season first try. That's amazing. Alright, let's see who it says. The pie. Is this like? I think it's Promise. Yeah, it's Quincy Promise before he moved. 94. Look at that card. It's insane. We get a team of the week. Who's this? I don't know who he is. A birthday card. Who's this? Oh yeah, I forgot I used to play for Dortmund. Now he's at Fulham, isn't he? Another inform. Jeez, I don't want informs. Oh, back when Morata was 85 rated. And we get a walkout. Let's go. Oh, that's Robertson. Let's go. Is he like 92 rated? What? Only 87 rated? Was he a silver last season? Another inform. Rodrigo. He's only 83 as well. Thought it was inform. Another inform. Mbappe. Jeez, how many informs? I don't want informs. Mbappe was only 84 rated. Oh, we got an walkout though. For an inform. Spain. Who could this be? Right mid. Oh yeah, it's David Silva. For some reason he's... Not gonna lie, that's such a bad card for a right mid. No pace and no shooting. And we get another inform walkout. Oh wait, that's an icon. Jeez, I forgot because it's really confusing with the icons last year. Who's this? Thierry Henry or something. Actually, I think he's striking this. So, oh, it's Pierce. Didn't know that. Sane only 84 rated as well. Oh, we get another team this season. Let's go. Striker, who's this? Griezmann, let's go. Is he like 96 something? 96, yep, 96. With another incredible card as well. Oh, we got two. Henderson. Oh, yeah, we get a walkout. Another one, back to back. And it's a birthday card, so... Oh, it's Alaba. Nice. What is he? 86, right? No, he's 88, isn't he? 89. 80. 87, oh. Felipe Luis as well. And Kagawa. Oh, it's Honda. Another one, let's go. Why does EA... Wait, I'm stupid, not EA. Why does Pacybits, yeah, not give us this kind of pack look on Pacybits 19? I mean, look at that. Because, you know, it'd be mad if we can actually pack something like good and have good lightning round. Because lightning rounds aren't really good. They're always quite bad. And we get another walkout, so that's always good. Come on. Handanovic. Oh wait, I just got him, didn't I? What am I saying? It was Ilicic or whatever. his name is. 91. And Max as well. Jeez, that's mad. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to be stopping now. But yeah, thanks for watching my retro pack opening. And I'll see you guys in the next video.